So alright, this guy's riding my board right now with the quick release wheels on them and one normal truck. His name's Sean, I don't know his last name. But the truck seemed to be holding up just fine. What we're going to do is we're going to have him come up and switch wheels using the quick release system, and then he's going to re-ride it with no stop in video. You're good, go ahead. Alright, you want to switch them now? Alright.
You live right by me.
Here's the wheels.
Right by Garfield. I see you out in front of your house already.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and switch them out now.
Just pull this thing back.
Oh no, flip it around.
Oh, sweet.
There you go.
Alright.
Yeah, there's one locking axle on the outside, so that's what holds it in. Alright, so that's it. We'll take the other two, and now he's gonna go rewrite it.
Alright.
Alright, and here he goes to ride it again. Make sure everything's okay, no wheels fall off. Alright. Was it the board? Was it the wheel?
No.
Okay.
Good.
Alright, we're good?